Many people walk into the grocery store planning to buy only a few essentials, but leave with snacks, sauces, cereal, and other products designed for one specific purpose. That is not simply a matter of discipline, it is part of how grocery stores make money. The key to saving money is not just buying the cheapest item. It is understanding which foods can support multiple meals throughout the day. A simple egg and a bag of rice can often provide more real value than a cart full of convenience foods. A full cart does not automatically mean better meals. What matters more is building your kitchen around ingredients that work across breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The first staple is eggs. Eggs may look ordinary, but they can replace many expensive convenience foods. A rushed morning can easily lead to spending money on a breakfast sandwich, frozen burrito, or protein snack pack. Yet for the same amount of money, you can often buy nearly a dozen eggs and create several meals. Each large egg provides complete protein along with all 9 essential amino acids. But the true value of eggs is their versatility. They can become fried eggs, scrambled eggs, egg sandwiches, pancakes, hard-boiled eggs, steamed eggs, egg drop soup, or a soft vegetable omelet. The same ingredient can become many different meals simply by changing the cooking method. Eggs work throughout the day. In the morning, hard-boiled eggs can replace a store-bought breakfast. At lunch, sliced eggs can make a salad more filling. At dinner, adding an egg to soup, noodles, or fried rice can turn a basic dish into a real meal. Eggs can also be used for baking, snacks, salad toppings, and quick protein when there is no clear plan for dinner. A practical habit is to boil several eggs at the start of the week and keep them in their shells in a sealed container. That gives you a ready-to-eat option that is faster and cheaper than buying food on the go. To keep eggs fresh longer, store them on a middle shelf or near the back of the refrigerator rather than in the door, where the temperature changes more often. Properly stored, eggs can last for several weeks. If you are unsure whether an egg is still good, the water test can help. Fresh eggs sink, while older eggs rise higher as more air enters the shell over time. Eggs do not feel like budget food. They make meals easier, softer, tastier, and more affordable. Smart grocery choices are not about buying luxury foods. They are about choosing foods that keep showing up in useful ways and do not end up wasted. The next essential staple is rice. Rice is one of the cheapest foods in the store, but it is also one of the most valuable because it makes almost every other ingredient more useful. A large bag of rice may seem expensive at first glance, but its value becomes clear when you think in terms of servings rather than purchase price. A single bag can produce hundreds of servings at only a few cents each. Rice is filling, flexible, and easy to pair with other foods. A bowl of hot rice can turn one egg into a full breakfast. Leftover chicken can become lunch for the whole family. Add beans, canned tuna, or frozen vegetables, and rice becomes the base of a complete dinner without relying on convenience foods. Another advantage of rice is that it does not pressure you to use it immediately. One day it can be plain rice, the next day fried rice, and later it can become porridge or a vegetable rice dish. A few changes in flavor or ingredients can make it feel like a completely different meal. To store rice properly, transfer it from the original bag into airtight containers or food-safe buckets with lids. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. If you buy in bulk, it helps to keep one smaller container for daily use while the rest remain sealed. Rice quietly supports the rest of your kitchen. It saves money not only because it is cheap, but because it stretches everything around it. The third key staple is dry beans. When people buy canned beans, much of what they are paying for is water, metal packaging, and convenience. Dry beans, on the other hand, offer far more value for the money. A small bag of dry beans can yield multiple cups of cooked beans, turning a low-cost purchase into several meals. Beans are rich in both protein and fiber. That combination helps meals feel more satisfying and can reduce the urge to snack later. Dry beans can replace canned beans, add substance to soups, reduce the amount of meat needed in chili, and make tacos, salads, rice dishes, and stews more filling. Many people avoid dry beans because of the soaking step, but it is actually simple. Soak them in water overnight, drain them the next day, and cook them. Most of the work happens while you sleep. When beans are combined with rice, the two create a complete protein source, each providing what the other lacks. Add onions, garlic, olive oil, or canned tomatoes, and you have a hot, affordable meal that does not feel like a compromise. For storage, dry beans should be transferred into jars or airtight containers and kept in a cool, dry place. Labeling them with the purchase date is useful, because older beans may take longer to cook. Rotating your supply helps maintain quality and reduce waste. The fourth essential staple is potatoes. Potatoes have often been criticized because of chips, fries, and other processed forms, but the issue is not the potato itself. The problem is how often it is turned into expensive products. A plain potato is one of the most filling and practical foods you can buy. Potatoes help meals go further. A baked potato topped with beans, frozen vegetables, and onions can become a complete dinner. Potatoes can also stretch soups and stews, become mashed potatoes for a comforting side dish, or turn into skillet potatoes for breakfast. This is the difference between an ingredient and a product. An ingredient gives you flexibility, while a product charges extra for convenience. Potatoes are also useful because they store well. In a dark, cool, dry, and well-ventilated place, they can last for weeks and sometimes months. They should not be stored next to onions, near heat, or in the refrigerator unless necessary. Stored properly, they become a dependable base for soups, roasted meals, breakfast dishes, and side dishes. The fifth staple is oats. A bowl of oatmeal may not look exciting, but it often does a better job than boxed cereal. Many breakfast cereals are quick, but they do not keep people full for long. That leads to extra spending later in the morning on snacks, baked goods, or another coffee. Oats are valuable because they are affordable and satisfying. They contain soluble fiber, including beta-glucan, which slows digestion and helps create steadier energy. A warm bowl of oatmeal with banana, apple, or peanut butter can hold you over far better than many sweetened cereals. Oats are also highly versatile. They can be used in pancake batter, smoothies, meatballs, meatloaf, banana bread, oatmeal cookies, or as a topping for yogurt instead of expensive granola. In this way, oats can replace cereal, snack bars, pancake mix, and some midday snacks. To preserve freshness, transfer oats into an airtight container and keep them in a cool, dry place. If buying larger quantities, dividing them into smaller portions can help protect them from moisture and preserve quality. Oats are not just a cheap breakfast, they are a flexible ingredient that supports many meals and snacks throughout the week. The sixth essential staple is frozen vegetables. Fresh vegetables often enter the shopping cart with good intentions, but many end up forgotten in the refrigerator. Busy schedules, unexpected changes, and takeout meals can easily lead to spoiled produce and wasted money. Frozen vegetables solve this problem in a practical way. They are often harvested at peak ripeness and quickly frozen to help preserve quality. Their biggest advantage is flexibility. You can use exactly what you need and leave the rest for later. There is no pressure to cook everything within a few days. Frozen vegetables also improve many of the low-cost staples already discussed. Rice, eggs, beans, potatoes, and pasta all benefit from a handful of vegetables. That small addition can make a quick meal feel more complete and balanced. To reduce freezer burn, press out excess air before resealing the bag, or transfer the vegetables into a sealed container. The seventh staple is bananas. Bananas are inexpensive, portable, and useful at every stage of ripeness. Unlike delicate fruits that spoil quickly, bananas simply change roles as they ripen. A slightly green banana can be more filling, a yellow banana becomes a quick snack, and an overripe banana turns into a baking or smoothie ingredient. Bananas can replace packaged snacks, oatmeal toppings, smoothie packs, and even part of the sugar in baked goods. Once they become too ripe, they do not need to be thrown away. They can be mashed into pancakes, muffins, banana bread, or oatmeal cookies. They can also be peeled, sliced, and frozen for future smoothies or breakfasts. Their value comes from having more than one useful stage instead of a very short window of freshness. The eighth staple is canned tomatoes. Many people assume fresh is always better, but tomatoes are one case where canned can often be more practical and flavorful, especially outside peak season. Fresh tomatoes may look appealing in the store but can turn out watery and bland. Canned tomatoes are often harvested when fully ripe and preserved quickly, giving them consistent flavor year-round. They can serve as the base for many affordable meals. With garlic and onions, they become pasta sauce. With beans and spices, they become chili. With eggs, they become shakshuka. Add broth and frozen vegetables, and they become soup. They can also be used with chicken thighs, potatoes, rice, or pasta in many different combinations. Canned tomatoes last a long time in the pantry, which makes them extremely useful for nights when the refrigerator is nearly empty and takeout feels tempting. Keeping a few different forms on hand, such as diced tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, and tomato paste, gives you even more flexibility in cooking. The ninth staple is chicken thighs. While chicken breast often gets more attention, chicken thighs are usually the more practical and forgiving option. They are less likely to dry out, more flavorful, and often more affordable. Because they remain tender even with a little extra cooking time, they are easier for many home cooks to use successfully. Chicken thighs can support multiple meals from one purchase. One night they can be roasted and served with rice and vegetables. The leftovers can become rice bowls, soups, or shredded chicken dishes later in the week. If bone-in thighs are used, the bones can even be turned into broth. Buying chicken thighs in larger quantities and dividing them into meal-sized portions before freezing can help reduce waste and make meal planning easier. They are a strong example of real savings, one affordable ingredient creating several satisfying meals. The 10th staple is peanut butter. It is one of the most underrated budget foods in the grocery store. In the afternoon, when hunger appears but dinner is still hours away, many people reach for chips, cookies, or expensive protein bars. Peanut butter offers a simpler and cheaper option. A small serving provides protein and healthy fats that help keep hunger under control. Its real strength is that it fits into many parts of the day. It can be spread on toast, stirred into oatmeal, blended with banana in a smoothie, eaten with apples, added to pancakes, or used as a quick snack on its own. In doing so, it replaces many random snack purchases that quietly raise the grocery bill. Natural peanut butter should be stirred well when first opened and then stored in the refrigerator to slow oil separation. A jar of peanut butter is not just one snack, it can support breakfast, snacks, baking, and even simple desserts. The 11th staple is onions and garlic. Many great meals around the world begin with these two ingredients. The sound of onions in a hot pan and the aroma of garlic in oil signal that a real meal is coming together, even when the kitchen contains only a few basic foods. Onions and garlic add depth to rice, beans, soups, pasta, roasted chicken, and vegetable dishes. They often replace the need for bottled sauces, seasoning blends, marinades, and dressings. Instead of buying flavor in a jar, they allow you to build flavor directly from the ingredients you already have. For storage, onions and garlic should be kept in a dry, dark, well-ventilated place. Onions should not be stored next to potatoes, since both can cause each other to spoil faster. Garlic can also be minced and frozen in small portions for convenience. Their greatest value is not that they are fancy, but that they make simple food taste homemade and satisfying. The 12th staple is extra virgin olive oil. It may not be the cheapest item in the kitchen, but it can be one of the most important because it helps make affordable food truly enjoyable. Olive oil adds richness and flavor to beans, vegetables, pasta, bread, potatoes, tomatoes, eggs, and chicken. Its value is not only nutritional, it is practical. When simple food tastes better, people are more likely to eat what is already in the kitchen instead of ordering takeout or buying extra products. In that way, olive oil helps reduce waste and supports better use of all the other staples. To protect its quality, olive oil should be bought in a dark bottle and stored in a cool place away from heat and direct light. It should not be left near the stove or on a decorative shelf where flavor can fade more quickly. Taken together, these foods show something important. Eggs, rice, beans, potatoes, oats, frozen vegetables, bananas, canned tomatoes, chicken thighs, peanut butter, onions, garlic, and olive oil may not look special, but they can create dozens of meals at a fraction of the cost of processed convenience foods. Grocery stores often push complete products, but the most budget-friendly kitchens are built on foundational ingredients. When your shopping cart is filled with foods that can do more than one job, your grocery bill becomes smaller, less food gets wasted, and meals become easier to prepare. Saving money is not always about buying less, it is often about buying smarter.